I would like to welcome all the Python learners. In the first video lecture, I have shown how to download and install latest version of Python for Windows 10. And in the second video lecture, I have shown how to download and install PyCharm. And there, I have also shown how to create a Python project and how to create a Python file. I hope all of you have installed and your Python terminal is ready to work. Here is my Python terminal and Python intro file is open for today's work. So today we are going to learn how to print a string in Python. A string in Python, writing inside single quote or double quote. So here I have written my name. Let us print the name. Go to run. Go to the file name Python intro. So look here, the output is the name. Next, let us print the address. So here is my address, writing the address separating by comma comma. R421, 3rd floor, Department of Mathematics, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, Kolkata 700145, India. So let us print. Go to run. So here is the output, name and address. Now suppose that you would like to get your address in the new line. So delete comma and keep \n for new line. Similarly, after 3rd floor, delete comma \n. Delete the gap. Here also \n. Here also \n. Now go to run. Click on the file name and look here, you are getting name and address. The address given in the new line. Similarly, we can print the electronic address. that is the email ID, email. So here is the email address, name, address and email address. Hope all of you have understood. In the next video lecture, we will learn the arithmetic operations in Python.